Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install World Edit in Minecraft. Right? If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, close the Minecraft launcher. Now go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Down here, we're going to download Fabric. Okay, you just gotta look it up online, Fabric Minecraft. Click on Fabric right here at the very top. Just tap on download. And then in here, just click on download Universal Jar. Save it wherever you want. I'm going to go ahead and save it on my desktop. And then open up a new tab and let's just go ahead and download World Edit. Okay. Minecraft as well. There you go. Now you can go ahead and download it from CurseForge or Modrinth. Okay. Let's say I'm just going to go ahead and use Modrinth right here. Now I'm going to click on download at the very top. Okay. As it will download the latest version. If not, you can go ahead and look for your game version right here. As you can see, we have 1.21.4 to 1.21.11. So at the time of recording, February 27, the Minecraft version is 1.21.11. Now I'm going to go ahead and download this one. Or just going to click on download right here. Select the game version. Again, 1.21.11, and the platform would be Fabric. Okay, download right here. Save it on your desktop as well. Wait for the process to finish and now close the browser. Let's go ahead and install Fabric first. Double click on it. Again, 1.21.11. Load a version, the latest. Okay, install. Wait for it. And then just hit on OK. Close. Now go ahead and open up the Minecraft launcher. And here, as you can see, we now have Fabric Loader. Okay, you can go ahead over to installations right here. Make sure that modded is enabled. And then here we have Fabric Loader. Click on Open Installation Folder right here. As we are going to double click on mods. Now, if you don't have a mods folder, just go ahead and create one. Okay, new folder, name it as mods. Double click on it. Now let's go ahead and move. Okay, World Edit right here. And then once that's done, close this one and just hit on play. Play and just wait for it. All right, so we have the game loaded. Let's just go ahead and maybe chat /want. There you go. Hit on enter. Now you can go ahead and select the region or the position. Okay, so once you got the wooden axe, you can now go ahead and select the position. You can just go ahead and test it out. You can just type down T / or // replace air with fire. Okay, make sure that you equip the wand, okay, or the wooden axe, and then select the region, left click or position, then right click to set the second position, for example right here. Okay, now you can go ahead and replace it, maybe a / replace sand to water. And as you can see, we now have water. And that is it. That is how you install World Edit in Minecraft. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.